Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to be moving on to the next PLL last layer case that you're going to get, and PLL just means permutations of the last layer. So these are the different scenarios that you're going to get in the final step of solving the 3x3. So in the last video I showed you a scenario that looks like this. So this was the one that I said looked kind of like a pinwheel. So there's an odd piece here, there's an odd piece here, there's an odd piece here, and there's another odd piece here. So the same kind of pattern on each face of the cube. Now I also showed you the algorithm on how to fix that. You can check my last video for the algorithm. But in this video I'm going to be showing you another scenario that's very similar to this one, and I'm just going to quickly show you that. Okay, so in this scenario there's an odd piece here, there's an odd piece here, there's an odd piece here, but then one of the faces is completed. So in this case you're going to put that completed face to the left, and then because obviously this counts as a different scenario, so you're going to be using a different algorithm to solve this. So in this case you're going to use the same algorithm I showed you in my last layer video. So this is actually the perfect scenario to use the shortcut that I showed you in that video. Okay, so the shortcut is going to have you move the cube in this way. So place the cube this way where the completed side is to the left. So you just perform this sequence of steps. So it's going to be left, up inverse, right inverse, up, left inverse, up inverse, right. So now you can see you got back to the step that you solved the yellow cross, and this is one of the 7 scenarios that you're going to get on the last layer. So at this stage you're already familiar with this. So you just use that algorithm that matches this particular pattern to complete the cube. So in this case it's going to be right inverse, up inverse, right, up inverse, right inverse, up twice, right. And now the cube is solved. So just use that shortcut that I showed you in the last video. Like I said already, this scenario is the perfect scenario for that shortcut. You only have to do it one time, and then you get back to the yellow cross, and then you just use the algorithm to complete it. So thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.